In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Security and Privacy. Then scroll again to choose Device Unlock and tap on Face Unlock over here. Now enter your screen lock. Tap on Setup at the bottom right corner, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. When you finished, select Done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!